Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd. This channel is about teaching you the basic of cooking because it's a life skill that everyone should know. Today, we're going to show you how to cut a pineapple because it's a very challenging thing for a lot of people, believe it or not. So we can do a quick demonstration how to cut a pineapple. So come to the board, please. Pineapple, knife, something to put your peel in, okay? So, let's start. Put a pineapple to lie on the side like that. Knife. You just want to cut it just below the top of the pineapple, just like that. Turn it on the other side. This is a root. Cut it. The reason I didn't go deeper yet is because I spent a lot of money for pineapple, so I don't want to. Okay, put it back up to stand up. Make sure it's sturdy. You hold the pineapple good, and you go like that. You go a little deep because you want to get all the eyes in one shot. And when as you go down and you get to the bottom, just kind of go inward a bit. Okay. Turn it. You look. If there's any eyes like this, just quickly like that. Just with a knife. That's it. You could do this pineapple two ways. You could keep it like this and you cut it in the center. So put your knife like that. Put your hands on top like this. The reason I'm telling you this here is because if you do like this, you get cut. Okay? So you do like this, keep your hands open, and you just press the knife down. It's some elbow grease, as they say. Okay? Pineapple's open. Now, you could cut this up in different ways. Cut it up like that. Right? See? Or you could go like this. I want to make sure, I don't want to, this channel is about teaching you the techniques. I don't want to just chop and show you how I could do it fast. I want you to understand the struggle. That's why I cut in like this. So if I go down like this and it comes up, just push it down so it stays together, right? If you cut down like this, just push it down like that, okay? Now, someone gonna say to me, but what happened to the bottom, right? So to be able to cut that out, you could do this. You put a pineapple down on the side, make sure it's like that properly, because you don't want to put it where it's racking all over the place. So I make sure you find a side that it could actually hold. And if you look closely here, pineapple is coming to the center. It stops about somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. So you see that? So what you could do, you could cut down like that. Okay, on both sides. Okay, and then what you do, you turn it like this. You could see, if you look close, you're gonna see where the hardness is. And then you go like this. And this you can't eat. Stuff, you could chew on it. We chew on it where I come from. We chew on that. Okay, that's how it, yeah, if you see you have like this, no problem, guys. Simple. Okay. So this is my way. Now you could just dice this up. Okay, let me show you. You don't have to do all of that one time, just go like that. Okay, simple. Okay. That's it. Finished product. You know, this is the point where I goes, not in your face, but I want you to see the product close up and personal. Okay. Wish you were here. Okay. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please share it. Okay. This is knowledge. All right. And as I always say, one love. Thank you for watching.